In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet to Google Sheets or Excel. We'll use a simple, reliable method that brings your Smartsheet data directly into Google Sheets so you can analyze, filter, and share it without manual copying. All you need is access to a Google account and your Smartsheet workspace. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you want the data to live. At the top of the page, click Extensions, hover over Add-ons, and then select Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Coefficient. Coefficient is a trusted data connector that makes it easy to pull data from external tools like Smartsheet into Sheets. Click it, then Install. You may be asked to grant permissions, review them, and proceed. Installation can take a moment, so wait until you see confirmation. Once it's installed, go back to your Google Sheet. Click Extensions again. You'll now see Coefficient at the bottom of the menu. Click it, then choose Launch. A Coefficient sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. In that sidebar, click Import From and choose Smartsheet. Next, click Connect Smartsheet. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Click Authorize, then Allow to grant access so Coefficient can read your Smartsheet data and bring it into your Google Sheet. When the connection succeeds, you'll see Smartsheet listed in the Coefficient sidebar, confirming everything is linked and ready. From here, you can import data from your Smartsheet account into the active Google Sheet. Use the sidebar to choose the Smartsheet source you want, and Coefficient will handle the rest, placing the data into your spreadsheet without you needing to copy and paste. This setup is especially helpful if you're collaborating with teams who track work in Smartsheet but prefer to analyze results in Google Sheets. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see Coefficient under Extensions right away, refresh your browser tab and check again. If the sidebar doesn't open, make sure pop-ups are allowed for Google Sheets. And if authorization fails, confirm you're signed in to the correct Smartsheet and Google accounts. That's the complete process for connecting Smartsheet to Google Sheets. If you're working in Excel, Coefficient also supports it with a similar flow, so you can follow the same idea there using the Excel add-in. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials.